Avel Premium Built-in TVs are a modern solution for your kitchen thanks to well-thought-out ergonomics and stylish design. This TV will harmoniously fit into any kitchen and its tempered front glass will protect the TV from moisture and grease. You can simply wash it as any glass surface in the kitchen. You can install Avel cabinet door TV over hobs, ovens or sinks and still use all the internal cabinet storage volume conveniently. Avel TVs are made for your kitchen.